back to the vlog, you guys. I have a super busy day. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys that we are taking a little trip for my birthday. So today is travel prep. We're gonna go get these nails done. I just got them done last week, but they did a terrible job at a different place. So I'm going back to the Russian manicure place to get a new set. Well, not even a new set, just like a whole new job. They left them bumpy, they left them different lengths. It was bad, but it's okay. The girl's like, do you like them? And I'm like, yes! And then I'm like, oh my goodness. But yeah, anyway, they'll fix them there. So we're gonna get our nails done. We have a hair appointment at Dry Bar to get my hair blow dried, and then we have some errands to run. I wanna return and exchange some things. We have to go to Target to pick up my new headphones because I bought some new headphones. I made myself a little smoothie. It always takes forever at the nail salon, so I'm like, I need something to eat. I didn't have time to make breakfast or anything, so I just made myself a quick little smoothie. We have a jam-packed day. Once we're done running our errands, we'll come home and we'll start packing. I hate that this steering wheel is literally right here, but anyway, good morning. Let's start our day. Made it to our hair appointment. I wanted to show you guys my nails because they turned out so good. They're like the perfect New York City nails. I obviously got the same color, you guys, but it needed a redo. It needed fresh start because my first set, unfortunately, they were not good. They were so bad. I got the Russian manicure again, and I can totally see when I first told you guys that I was gonna get a Russian manicure, I got so many DMs and comments saying like, Chula, you're never gonna be able to go get regular nails again, and it's so true. But it's not even so much of the Russian manicure because I used to get my nails done regular and I would love it, but it's just the way that they did them this last time at that other salon that it was just bad. She didn't even cut my cuticles at all, and so it just looked bad. But now they are back and they look so good. They're even. I had so many different lengths. It was pretty crazy. And then another reason why I needed to go in is because this one was already cracked, so she put like a little kind of like a little bonding or something so that they're not cracked, and I ended up doing hard gel. I don't know the color because I feel like this nail salon uses like their own polishes because I've never seen them. They're not D&D, they're not OPI, they're not any of like the regular ones that we're familiar with, so I'm not sure. And even on the thing it just said dark 09, so I don't know the color, but I know OPI has one like this, and I think it's something cherry, but it's a beautiful mauvey like red. It's so pretty. It's perfect for fall. So we just made it to Calabasas. We're gonna get our hair done. I have a blow dry appointment at Dry Bar, so they're gonna blow dry my hair. I just wanted a nice blowout so that I can at least go like 3-4 days in New York without having to do my hair, but I am gonna have to probably wash it and style it again because did I even tell you guys? We're going to New York for my birthday. I don't even know if I mentioned where we were going, but we're going to New York for my birthday. We were there last year and the weather was just beautiful. We were there for a short period of time. I think we were there for like 3 or 4 days, and I felt like it was way too short. So this year, Dennis is like, what do you want to do for your birthday? And I said, I want to go to New York. So we're going to go to New York. We're going to spend a few days there, a week. It's going to be nice. It's going to be a little like birthday / work trip because I am going to be taking some meetings while I'm out there. But I'm so excited to go and just relax a bit, even though I know it's gonna be a little hectic, but it's okay. Go eat at yummy restaurants, just go walk around. I love the New York vibe. I think if New York wasn't so far from my family, that would be a place I could live for sure. Like I can see myself living there. First time I went, I was there for 24 hours and I fell in love. Like I literally was like, I love like the hustle and bustle. I love that you can walk everywhere. I love that there's so many restaurants, so many different things, so many shops, so many cafes. It's so cute. I fell in love with New York. Okay, that's what I will be celebrating. And then when I get back, I will celebrate with my family. I wanted to show you guys my new case that I got on Amazon. I will have it linked. It is the perfect little fall case. And I think it was like 10 bucks. So I will link it for you guys. It's so nice. Let's go. I do want to get a little bagel or something because I am starving. And I know that my hair is going to take at least 30 to 45 minutes. So let's go get this hair done. Back in the car, the girl did such a good job with my blowout. I've had really good luck at the Calabasas blow dry bar. Both girls that I have gotten have done such a good job, and this girl, I love the way she did it. I asked her for her schedule, and she's here Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays, so which is perfect because I love getting my hair blow dried on Sundays so that I have like a fresh blowout for the week. So definitely going to be coming back to her. She was so sweet. I also went to La La Land, as you guys saw, and I picked up a strawberry matcha. Look how pretty this looks. I need to take a picture of this. This looks gorgeous. A lot of people have said that they don't like La La Land's matcha because it's too sweet, and I agree. The regular one with the cloud foam, I think it's called, that one's too sweet for me, and you guys know I don't like sweet things. But this one I can drink. It is so yummy. It's not too sweet. You get that nice taste of matcha and then a little bit of the sweetness of the strawberry, but nothing that's gonna be too much. Yeah, like the matcha itself isn't sweet. You have to mix it so that the strawberry, I'm just scared to shake it. Yeah, because it might get a spill. Next on our list, so we've got our nails done. We got our blow dry. We got some matcha. Now we have some returns. I bought the suede boots. I don't know if you guys saw. I posted them on my Instagram stories. There's a girl like yelling. I hope she's okay. She's like on the phone and she looks really upset. But I posted it on Instagram stories and so many of you guys bought them. They're so good and I'm so excited to take them to New York with me. I bought the 5.5 and the 6, so I need to return the 5.5 because it was too small. So they run true to size. So I kept the 6, and then I also need to exchange a sweater that I got at Aerie. I accidentally got it in extra small. It fits fine, but I like it a little bit, I want it a little bit looser, so I'm gonna go with the extra small or even a small. See, now that I was shaking it, I can taste a little bit of the strawberry and it's like slightly sweet. I'm gonna go to the Apple store because I might finally get the new Mac, the MacBook Air. I have the MacBook Pro, which the battery on it I think is already done. I need to get a new battery. I can't use it unless it's plugged into the charger, which is very inconvenient when I want to go to like a coffee shop and edit, or if I'm editing, if I want to take it with me on a trip. It's just, I need to get the battery replaced. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the battery, give that one to Dennis, and then I'll get the MacBook Air so that when I travel, I have a lighter laptop because the Pro is pretty heavy. And I need to go to Sephora to see if they have the day in travel size because I have it regular, but I'm taking so many hair products just because I'm gonna be there for a little bit longer than my usual travel days. I'm taking so much stuff and I'm like, let me try to get as much as I can in travel size, and then we should get home and then start packing. Being a passenger princess now, actually back on my way to the mall. So I went to the mall, ran my errands, got the things that I needed, and then I realized that I forgot one thing, but I also needed to exchange something else that I forgot at home. And I also am craving Olive Garden, and Olive Garden is right by the mall, so it kind of all worked out. So Dennis, I went home, dropped my stuff off, picked up Dennis, and now we're on our way to go have dinner at Olive Garden. I love the salad there. The salad and breadsticks is my favorite. That's literally all we get. We're gonna have that and then swing by the mall and do a quick exchange. I'll show you guys what I'm exchanging. I'm taking it in a Lululemon bag, but it's not Lululemon. It is from Madewell. Bought a belt from Madewell, and I think I don't remember if I got this in store or online. It's such a cute belt. It reminds me of the Orium belt, which is like, I don't know how much it is. I think it's like $200 or $300. This one is $58 from Madewell, and it has this like silver detail. It's so cute, but I don't know if they sent me a large or ordered the large and didn't pay attention. So I asked the girl if I can exchange it because I bought it like 2 months ago, but I never realized it was a large. I just had it hanging in my rolling rack, and then I went to go put it on the other day and I was like, wait, why doesn't this fit? So anyway, so she said I could exchange it and they'll make a one-time exception. So I want to go exchange that belt and then also get a pouch that I saw that they had.
Fallbrook, right?
Yeah, a really cute, I think it's leather from, it's like a cosmetic case, but I want to use it for my travel bag to kind of keep everything organized. Because right now I have this like little clear bag from Rare Beauty where they like send something, which is cute, but I'd rather have like a leather one and I can just keep everything organized in there. I'll show you guys the rest of the stuff that I got when I get home and then we start packing. I really did not like my intention was not to get home so late and pack so late, but the day just got away. And now I'm starving, so I need to eat. So we're gonna go eat and then we'll go to the mall. We are back home, so I thought I would give you guys a little haul of some of the stuff that I got because I did get a few things and I want to start packing. But okay, I got this little pouch. This is the one that I was telling you guys. It is leather, and I thought it was something nice to have in my travel bag so I can have like my perfume and everything that I take in my little mini travel bag that I had from Rare Beauty is gonna go in here. So love this, and I love that it is leather, so it's gonna last me. I got this at Madewell. I will link it for you guys if you guys are looking for a little leather pouch. And then I went to Sephora, as I told you guys, and you guys saw. I picked up the New Day dry shampoo, and it's a powder dry shampoo. The girl said that this is a really, really good dry shampoo. It's their like #1 best seller. So I'm excited to try it, and I love Day products. And the reason why I went in there was for the styling cream. She was so sweet. So I have the styling cream in the full size, but I don't want to take the full size with me because I'm already taking a ton of full size products. So she said right now they have this one with a gift with purchase, and I had been wanting to try the dry shampoo, so I bought the dry shampoo and I got the gift with purchase. And because it is my birthday month, I got a little gift. I picked the Gucci Flora, so let's see what's in here. Cute. We got a little mini Gucci Flora. It smells good. It smells very nice. And then you get little mini ones of the other scent. So cute. Look how cute this is. First little thing to go in my pouch. Okay. So, and that's everything that we got at Sephora. And then I went to Lululemon and I picked up a new workout set. I have this one in brown and I love it because I love the way that it like makes the girls look. So if you're smaller chested, you would absolutely love the fit of this. And I got a 6. I think the brown one is a 4 and it fits me a little tight, so I went up to a 6 in this one. And then I got a new pair of the Align leggings, which are some of my favorite leggings. These are so comfortable and they fit so nice. So I will be packing this and this will be coming with me. So I'm taking that. And then this is what I wanted to exchange at American Eagle. I got this maroon color burgundy sweater. As you guys can see, I'm kind of obsessed with it, the color. So got this, and I think this is what I'm actually gonna travel with. I like to travel really comfortable, so I'm gonna travel with this tomorrow. So I think we can trash everything that's in there. And I also picked up my headphones, which I'll show you guys. The Sony headphones. I don't know the exact name of them, but I will link them. Yasmin said I couldn't decide between these or the Apple ones. The Pro, I think is what they're called. These were $300 and the Apple ones were $450. So I heard really good reviews about this one. They said that the battery life lasts forever. So I ended up grabbing these, but I couldn't decide between these or the Apple ones, but charging those because I actually have a lot of editing to do when I'm in the plane. And yeah, so this is tomorrow's travel outfit. I'm gonna pack this, my little bag, which I'm excited about, and then I'm gonna show you guys the birthday gift that my sister gave me early. So this was my birthday gift from my sister. I actually was at Nordstrom and I sent her a photo of these and she's like, those are so cute. And she's like, how much are they? And so I told her, and while I was in the middle of trying them on, I got a Zelle for the amounts. And I'm like, sister, what is this for? And she said, happy early birthday, buy the shoes. So I thought that was so sweet. So she bought me these for my birthday. How adorable are these? And then I bought myself a birthday gift. I saw this bag as soon as I got to the mall and I was walking by Madewell, and it matches the Birkenstocks. This is my birthday gift to me, and it is a little Madewell bucket bag in this beautiful color. Look, it literally matches the nails, and it is in suede. I'm pretty sure this bag is going to sell out, but I will link it for you guys if it is still available by the time that I post this video. So I just fell in love with it. I think it's so gorgeous, and I think it looks so nice against like denim and black and even brown. It's just such a beautiful color and it's a good staple to have, and it's also really, really good quality. I love Madewell because they have such good quality, but I will link everything that I showed you guys. I promise it will be down below, and I'll also link the other stuff that I got. I want to start packing, so yeah, but this was my birthday gift. We are packed, at least like 90% packed. This is my travel bag. I have a notebook to write all my notes. This is the case to my headphones, and then this is my little pouch that I just got with all my essentials, my wallet, glasses, M&Ms that better not, I was gonna say that better not spill, and they just came out because there's an opening. Okay, I'm gonna put these in a Ziploc bag because I don't want them to fall in my hole. Oh my god, do you guys see this? Absolutely not. Okay, back to business. Put it in a little Ziploc so now it can't spill. And yeah, and then I'm gonna put my laptop in here once it is charged. And then over here is my luggage. So I always travel with one of my sweaters just because it's like comforting to me when I want to be comfortable. These keep me warm and they're cute. This is my cashmere sweater from Banana Republic. It is an investment, but you guys, I have worn this to death. Like, it's one of my favorite purchases. So have that on my shoes and stuff over here and my bag. So this side is packed. Normally I use packing cubes, but I tried it without packing cubes and I feel like I was able to fit more. I just used one packing cube and that's for my PJs, underwear. Shit, I didn't pack any bras. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so anyway, that is everything. It is pretty late. It's like 11:30, I think. But we're pretty much packed and we're gonna leave tomorrow at 10 a.m. I think we said, or we board at 12:40. Our flight's like at 1 something. Battery's about to die. So we don't have to leave super early, which is nice. And I purposely booked this flight for that reason. We're gonna get to New York a little bit late, like 10 o'clock at night, but it's okay. We'll have a whole week there. So we'll be fine. We'll be fine. And then before bed, I'm gonna take my Nello Super Calm. I've been taking these every morning and oh, my vitamins I need to pack. Whoa. My vitamins out. But I've been taking these every morning and every night, which I will pull some of these out for the trip. And I feel like it has definitely helped me with my stress levels and like anxiety and things like that. So I've actually almost gone through the bag. This is all I have left. And yeah, so I'm taking those with me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little pack with me, shop with me kind of vlog. I honestly don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, but I hope it made sense and it was entertaining. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready for bed. I'm gonna drink this, eat an apple. I noticed like Janice has been grabbing apples like with peanut butter at night, and I'll have half, just the apple, no peanut butter, and I sleep really good. So I looked it up and it says that apples do help you sleep. So I'm gonna have half an apple and this, and then go to bed. I hope you guys have a good start to your day if you're starting your day, or a good night. Love you guys. Bye. See you in New York.